How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to a very exciting video. So you're gonna have to forgive me, it is super hot. Texas summer has officially started and I'm going to be sweaty and probably disgusting through most of the videos for the foreseeable future. It's gotta be at least 100 degrees in this garage, so I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. So I was cruising around on eBay the other day. Normally I just kind of look for used parts, things that I've been looking for forever. I'm just kind of looking for the right deal, I guess. Something that I've wanted for quite a while were black mirrors, kind of like a club trim, to match the door handles and the other black accenting that I have on the car. So I was super excited when I found these. These are NC Miata mirrors. They're OEM, they're black. You guys might be mad if you knew what I paid for them. I got both of these mirrors for $64 free shipping, which is a pretty crazy deal in my opinion, considering that most mirrors are like $60 to $80 a piece, sometimes even more than that. These came off a parts car. They were listed as used, obviously, but the connector ends said that they were broken, and I was like, all right, well, obviously someone took these off and just kind of ripped them out of the car. Sure enough, they arrived today, and all the pins came right out of the connector. This is gonna be super easy to fix because we can take my mirrors, solder on the new ones, and then these should just install right onto the car super easily. So we gotta take the door panels off, and that will give us access to the mirror connectors, and then we can go ahead and install these mirrors. So I'm gonna make this super quick. We're gonna time lapse on this side, the door being taken off, because we're only gonna install one, and then I'll show you the final result. But let's time lapse this door being taken off right now. All right, the next thing we have to do is take this speaker out. So it looks like this is the connector right here, I think. What I'll go ahead and do, at least, is take these out as well. We should be able to just kind of bend this back and push the connector straight on through. For the mirror, it's gonna be hard to do this with one hand, but if you bend it sideways, the bolts to get to it are right in there. I'm hoping that I have the right size somewhere in my garage. All right, so here we have the connector for the current mirror that's on the car. And then here we have this connector, which is only 3, and there's a lot more on this. These match right there. So I think what I'm gonna do is just clip these green wires because I don't need them. And I'm just going to, I guess, replace it just like so. So I'm gonna get to connecting these and then we'll go install. These are all soldered together. Now I'm just gonna put some electrical tape around them and we'll go install. Just giving it a quick little buff and a little layer of wax. Came out looking a lot better. It was a little dirty, it was a little scratched up, and it's still not 100%, but I mean, on camera, it looks pretty dang good if you ask me. And in person it looks great too. Just stepping back really is making the outside of the car just look so much better. With the black door handle and black mirror, I think that's a really good combination. I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys like it too. I'm going to go do the next one, and then I'll take a couple pictures for the thumbnail. We'll wrap this video up. After a quick buff on this side, it is all installed as well. I have to say, it looks just as good as the other side. I'm super happy about this. It's nice and smooth, and yeah, it just adds that extra little element to the car. I think black mirrors on a different colored car, like the alternate color combination, looks so good. I can't wait to see it out in the light. I'm about to go get some gas and I'll be able to see it there, but let me know what you guys think. There's the black NC Miata mirrors and the NC Miata, the copper red NC Miata, so kind of looks like a club almost. I mean, the only thing that's missing would be a club front bumper, the fenders, and probably some interior bits here and there, but otherwise I really love the look of this. It's something that I've wanted to do for a really long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're as excited about the mirrors as I am. Leave your comments below on what you think of the mirrors and what color car you have. If you'd want black mirrors as well, or if you have a black car, yeah, you already have black mirrors. So if you're new to the channel and this is the first video you've ever seen, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I post weekly videos about my Miata and car content, drives, meets, things like that. Hit the subscribe button and you will stay informed as I post new videos every single week. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a great week. I'm glad I could get this video out at least a day late from the weekend, so hope you have a great week. Leave your likes, leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.